absolutely. So I do have a disclosure, of course, quickly, and my disclosure is that I've been a Cristin Kearns fanboy for a minimum of a decade. So it's really more like 12 years. So when Susan asked me to do this, I was like, absolutely, I definitely want to do that. So Dr. Cristin Kearns is known for research on the effects of sugar on human health and for uncovering secret funding that Sugar Research Foundation gave to nutritional researchers. She got her DDS in dentistry at the University of North Carolina in 1998, and her general practice residency from University of Colorado 99, and an MBA in health administration from University of Colorado, Denver in 2006. So after that, she started working at Kaiser Permanente as an operations manager. And her interest was sparked because she was at this conference and they were talking about gum disease. And here's the thing, they were only talking about salt and saturated fat, not one mention of sugar. So she was like, this doesn't seem right, because this affects public health messaging. So this is part one. That led her to the Harvard Library, a Harvard Library where she uncovered these letters written by head scientists of 1960s sugar research teams. And they revealed that some scientists that were working closely with the Sugar Research Council, and they were trying to influence public opinion about sugar by paying off scientists to shape and suppress data that may have affected the public's acceptance of sugar and their attitude, negative or positive. In one folder, she found a confidential memo with the Sugar Association's letterhead on it. The memo revealed that they put together a report called Sugar in the Diet of Man, which concluded that sugar did not have a role in heart disease, diabetes, tooth decay, or obesity. Her most recent research showed that the sugar industry funded studies blaming fat instead of sugar as the leading cause of heart disease. So lastly, her works help to increase awareness about industry tactics and how they can affect public health messaging. So she thinks that the science is clear about sugar, but the debates still continue because people don't realize how much they've been marketed to. So that's Dr. Kearns's research, and I've been following it for a long time. And I just want to follow up by saying one last thing that about this is that I was introduced to Cristin Kearns through Robert Lustig in his "Sugar is the Bitter Truth" video, which sparked this idea at UCSF, University of Southern California, San Francisco, I think. And so that introduced me to Cristin Kearns, and they've been on this for 10 years, and it's just starting to germinate and become something that's really taking a part intersectionally across medicine. And they have a real food certification program called eatreal.org. And it's used to do things like this vegan thing we were talking about. How do you make the right choice? They have done a lot of the hard work to show that already. So Cristin Kearns is doing a lot of good work.